Android TV box, which is Android TX Mini. Let me open it. Look, it's a brand new TV box. Here is HDMI port, Ethernet port, optical port, and AV port also, and power port. Look, is it visible? I'm sorry, because for low lighting. Look, can you see? And after that, we are going to open the main box contents. Look, here is a little remote, cute remote. There is also voice recorder, and it's all about the remote. It's nice, trendy, and little bit qualityful. Okay, now as you can see, there is a HDMI cord. I don't know which generation this is, 2 or 3. Okay, now it's a power supply. As you can see, it's written over there also, power supply. I don't expect this kind of power supply because I need actually good quality power supply. After that, who needs manuals? In this situation we need manuals, really? Okay, we need maybe manuals for. So that was it. This is my TV's remote. It's so heavy duty remote, and I dropped it so many times, but it's Sony TV's remote, that's why maybe it's quality full. So guys, that's it. Now I'm going to turn it on, and after that I will make another video. Bye bye, see you.